Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the range now. And what I have here is the most unappreciated gun, not by me, but people in the gun world. I don't think this gun gets the credit it deserves, and I think it's pretty phenomenal. It's loaded with features, priced well, and an extremely accurate shooter. So let's take a few shots, then we'll talk about what model we're featuring today. All right, the gun we're featuring today is a Grand Power Q100. Now, I just reviewed the Stribog. I called it the Stribog. It's the Stribog, but Grand Power makes some excellent handguns. Now, it started for me with the Excalibur, the full-size competition model, an amazing shooting gun. But then they came out with their first striker-fired gun, and here it is, the Q100. And what I really enjoy about it is that it has a rotating barrel. Makes for extremely soft shooting, steps away from the Browning lock breech style gun, and a little different system there, but works great. Front serrations, accessory rail, comes with 4 back straps, striker fire indicator right there, 3-dot sights, adjustable rear sight, and an amazing 4-pound trigger. I mean, this trigger is very soft. You actually have to check it out for yourself. I measure it right at 4 pounds. Some people measure it even less. 4.3-inch barrel, and all in all, you know, for a compact size gun, I think this thing is incredible. I love the way it shoots. I love the way it handles. I'm a big fan of Grand Power. I made no qualms about that. They've always been quality handguns, but this gun here is, in my opinion, not appreciated enough. You hardly see it. You don't see people at the range with it. You don't see many videos or reviews about it, but it really is phenomenal. Let's load it up and we'll shoot it some more. One thing I didn't mention is that it costs the street price a little over $400, and I think that is pretty good. They recently came out with the Q1S, which is a smaller model of this. I need to get my hands on that one as well. But that 4-inch target there, called a hostage target, I shot it a few times, but let's see how well I do. We're 10 yards away here. It's a 4-inch hostage target right off to the side there. There it is. Whoa. Nice. All right. Now do you understand why I consider it unappreciated? I appreciate it. I think it's pretty cool. Now, one thing that turns people off is the disassemble. And this is a little bit different because of the rotating barrel. All you have to do after you drop the mag and check it is pull that slide back. I'm not going to do it entirely right now, but you take these takedown levers. Well, let's go ahead and do it. Why not? And then off comes the slide. It does have an attached recoil spring and guide rod, and then here is your 4.3-inch barrel. I didn't plan to do this, but I figured, you know, why talk about it, not feature it, and there it is. And you can see with that cutout right there that it's definitely a little different. The Q100 also has ambidextrous controls, both mag release and slide stop. yards. Let's see how the Q100 does here. I don't know how many I have left here, but I'm going to go for that 4-inch hostage target. Tight. Ah. Oh, just missed it. So there it is, guys. This is what I consider an unappreciated gun, the Grand Power Q100. Big fan of Grand Power firearms, and I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on the Q1S. It's pretty much the same thing, just a smaller version of the Q100, but I really do enjoy this gun. I need to get out and shoot it even more and appreciate it myself. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.